Kama Studios. So PM Kpone Katamanso no Greater Accra region. Youth more any conform any problem na ne our board pem demonstration. Say aban no aid na aban intime bo san say omunsuo no man kwan very poor.
Abandoned issues, everything is better. Why? Our people, why?
The full video, we are going to play the full video. Now, make sure to subscribe to this platform for more news and more updates. Kpone Studios, FM Sticky the Superstar. Now, the reason for this demonstration is ensure Enyan wo hona busuya ensure no sabre e ho atochema kakra due to so one or two reasons. Binten afia akwenye was very poor. Now, let's go into the video. Yenkuti omankasa omonu masem na yeba achi wadwe comment section ase.
Why God do this to we? They are pretending as if they don't know the country Kpone supporting Ghana. Send Ghana money. Using for the president. Now they use the heart of boring. They use the heart of boring. They are talking to you. Kpone was covered. Today we are taking the cover off. We are taking the cover off. Kpone was covered. What kind of nonsense is that? Sorry,
embarking on this demonstration because for a long time, for more than 20 years now, we don't have water. We never had pipe-borne water in Kpone. We are pleading on the president to come to our aid to give us pipe-borne water. Now, secondly, if you look at our roads, we thought our father is in the kitchen. So we think, oh, the president will come to our aid and fix our road. If you go to our inner roads, it's very, very bad. If you go through the Mandela Road, it is very, very bad. But as an industrial area like this, we cannot suffer this way. And we, the Kpone youth, are saying that enough is enough. Now, Prom and Tema are fighting with us in our boundary issues. We are pleading the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources to come to this particular issue so that this issue can be solved amicably. Now, all that we are saying is that the majority of our lands were given to TDC. It was acquired and given to TDC. So if there is a conflict, TDC should be the first person to come to resolution of it. TDC cannot sit down put. We don't want to do anything to cause anything. All that we are saying is that all stakeholders involved should come and make sure there is peace. Because we are today having a peaceful demonstration. Tomorrow maybe it will not be peaceful. Thank you very much.
We are doing this demo because we don't have water in the town. For over 40 years now, there is no water flowing in the town. How? See, Katamanso constituency is a big constituency. The whole Greater Accra region. We are the largest, if I don't think, apart from Odo. Apart from Odo, we are the largest in Greater Accra region. And it seems like they have taken us for granted for long. You understand? There is no water flowing. Water is not flowing. See, before you get water, unless the water tanker to bring you water before you can buy water. Even that water, the yellow gallon is 5 cities. Some people have been selling 5 cities. Some people have been selling 7 cities. How? Where are you going? Where are you going with this hardship? We are in Ghana and we are suffering like this. How could we be suffering like this? And even our road too is not good. See, look at the road. This is an industrial road. And even for Katamanso constituency, you cannot even count on one better or one major road that is good in our constituency. Why? What offense are we committing? What crime have we committed? What crime at all have we committed? See, my brother, see, have you seen this bridge over here? It's two, the bridge. The bridges, there are two. It's two bridges. The first time in 2010 or 2011, the bridge got flooded and then overflowed. The water has overflowed, and when the water overflowed, the bridge broke. The bridge broke. After the bridge broke, by then it was Nilaya Futiago was our MP by then. And they broke the bridge and they constructed two bridges, and one big one and the smaller one which is there. But now, because some people thought they know more than the water, they broke the bridge for the drainage to be passed. They broke one of the bridge. Remember, that is very bad at all. It's not good at all. See, look at this. You see this company over there, where they built the company, if they don't demolish that company, we will always get flood in the town. Anytime it rains, even if it rains more, we always get, the whole town will be flooded. Even this one, it rains almost 1 hour or 2 hours. What if it rains the whole day? What if we rain the whole day? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going as a town? Where are we going? We are in a town whereby everybody has been doing what he likes. See, even if we are in Tema, then that we are under Tema. They have been doing better for us. But now that we have a municipal, nothing is showing. We have a municipal that have been generating enough of funds. Nothing is showing. Nothing shows here. We have enough. We have enough. See that.
The Dr. Osadifo Kwame Nkrumah acquired Kpone lands from acquired Kpone lands since 1952. It is 125 years. Now, it is not a compulsory acquisition. They claim it's a compulsory acquisition, but it is never a compulsory acquisition. It is never compulsory acquisition, but it's a yearly rent. When they collect the rent, then they come and pay their royalties. Now, secondly, TDC was given the land to develop Kpone Township. TDC wasn't given the land for sale to be sold to industrial individuals and other things. No, it was given to them for development purposes. TDC cannot come out and mention one project that they started and they have finished it. If you look at our roads, it is bad. It is very, very bad. Please, we are setting this signal to the TDC organization that next time we will meet them for boot for boot.
Sure.
We will crush them. We are not meeting them boot for boot.
Exactly.
We will crush them.
Sure.
And if they want war, if they don't come to settle this thing within 21 days, go on to them. If they don't settle it within 21 days, go on to them. Now we don't have anything we call friendship. We don't have anything we call relationship no more. Because they are taking us for granted. Friendship, quiet, they are taking us for granted. We, the people of Kpone Youth Association, and the township, we said we are not going to give up. We are fighting this to the last drop of our district.
Yeah.